Hi, I'm Melody. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to make some deep fried onion rings today. And we're using a tempura batter. And I'll show you how to dip it. We used just a boxed tempura mix that's pre-made. You just put a little bit of water in it, stir it, and this is what you end up with. It's pretty tasty. Cut your onions. It can be any kind of onion. White onion, red onion, Vidalia, it doesn't matter. Cut them to the size that you think you'd be happy with. What you're going to do now is, I think I'll not use these and I'll just use my fingers. Fingers wash so easily. We're going to cover these in the batter. And then I think I'll just set them off on a side plate while I'm preparing the rest. All right. We have this deep fryer set at about 360 degrees. Always be careful when using a deep fryer. Just for convenience of showing you, I think I'll go ahead and just put these in and show you how this works. Try to keep them from touching each other, if possible. When you first put it in, try and give them a kick so they don't stick to the bottom. If it's floating, it's frying. If it's sticking, it's usually burning. So there we go. We'll let those sit in there for a few minutes, and we'll keep an eye on them. All right, I think they're finished. I'm going to go ahead and take them out now. They've been in there for about 4.5 minutes. We'll take these out and put them on something to soak up the oils. There. And there you go. Onion rings. Check our next segment. We'll be doing sweet and sour pork.